Bolt.new is an AI-powered platform designed to help developers, startups, and teams create and launch full-stack web applications quickly, often without writing every single line of code from scratch. The core idea is speed and automation. You describe what you want to build, and Bolt.new generates functional, production-ready code that you can edit, deploy, and iterate on. One of its main strengths is the integration of AI into the development flow. You can start by entering a project description, such as a SaaS app for managing client invoices, and Bolt.new will generate a working base project with authentication, database models, and UI components already set up. From there, you can modify features directly through the interface or by prompting the AI to add, remove, or adjust functionality. The platform supports modern frameworks and tools like React, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and PostgreSQL, which means the output is based on widely accepted industry standards. This makes it easier to take the generated code and extend it manually if needed. Bolt.new also provides built-in deployment options, so you can launch your app to the web without having to configure hosting from scratch. Where Bolt.new stands out from traditional low-code or no-code tools is in how much control it still gives to developers. Instead of locking you into a closed environment, it lets you export your project's source code. This means you're not stuck on the platform. You can continue development locally or with your team's preferred tools. Collaboration features are another strong point. Teams can work together in real time, sharing prompts, changes, and project previews. The AI can even adapt to a team's coding style over time, helping keep the generated code consistent. That said, it's not meant to replace all manual coding. Complex business logic, highly specific integrations, or very custom UI designs will still require hands-on development. However, Bolt.new dramatically cuts down the time it takes to go from concept to a working product. For anyone looking to accelerate development without sacrificing flexibility, Bolt.new offers a compelling middle ground between fully manual coding and rigid no-code platforms, fast, adaptable, and built for real-world deployment.